How to log in to University of Manitoba Aurora. So if you want to log into your University of Manitoba, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then go for the search bar and search for University of Manitoba Aurora. And once you've searched, here you will have University of Manitoba, and under that you will have user login of Aurora. Click on that. So to log into your Aurora account, you need to simply scroll down, and here on the bottom you will have login. So first you need to enter your user ID on the first blank. And once you enter your user ID, you need to enter your PIN or your password on the next blank. But if you don't remember your password or your PIN, then you can go for forgot PIN so that you can reset or recover your account or your PIN. But if you remember, then simply enter your user ID and then your PIN, and you can simply click on login, which is here. And once you click on login, if your information is correct, then it will log you into your Aurora account under the University of Manitoba. So that's it. That's how you log into your University of Manitoba. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.